Hello everyone, today we are going to see about carbonyl compounds. What does mean by carbonyl compounds? This is the short form of compound spelling, okay? Compounds which contain carbonyl group. The compound which contain carbonyl group and that is known as carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl group means which group have to present carbonyl, carbon and oxygen. So these two group have to present and that compound is known as carbonyl compounds. Okay, so a compound which contain carbonyl group and that is known as carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl group means which group have to present carbon and oxygen. So compound which contain C double bond O and here 2 bond will come. Why we are putting here 4 bonds? Carbon valency is what? 4. Like that oxygen valency is 2. So for oxygen we have to put 2 bonds because oxygen valency is 2. So here 2 bonds and carbon valency is 4. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is the formula for carbonyl compounds. Okay. Here what are all the things will present? Here alkyl group will present. Okay. So usually this carbonyl compounds will contain aldehyde and ketone. Okay, carbonyl compounds means what I said, it have to contain carbon and oxygen. Okay, aldehyde means the formula is CHO. Ketone means CO. Okay, how we have to represent this? Aldehyde CHO. For carbon, how many valency I said? For carbon the valency is 4. So how many bonds we have to write? 4 bonds we have to write. For oxygen how many bonds we have to write? 2 bonds we have to write. For hydrogen the valency is 1. So how many bond we have to write for hydrogen? Only 1 bond. Now here we are going to write the structural formula for aldehyde. Aldehyde means what are all the things will present? C, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay. For carbon, C, what are all the things we have to write here? C and one H and one O here. Now complete the bond for oxygen. The valency is 2. So we have to write here 2 bonds. For hydrogen, the valency is 1. So we have to write here 1 bond. So for carbon now count here 1, 2, 3. But carbon valency is 4. So you have to write here 1 bond. Okay. So here we have to write one alkyl group to complete the structure of the aldehyde. So how the aldehyde will represent? RCHO. This is the formula for aldehyde. Now ketone, what are all the things have to present? Carbon and oxygen. C and O. For oxygen how many valency? 2. So how many bonds we have to write here? 1, 2. For carbon I said 4. So here 1, 2 already present. 3, 4. See here also one alkyl group will present and here also one alkyl group will present. So this is the formula for ketone. How we have to write ketone? RCOR. Okay. This is the formula for ketone. RCHO means aldehyde. RCOR means ketone. So here I said RCOR is the formula for ketone. R, C, double bond O and here one R will come. If these two alkyl group is same means the same ketone is present here means and that is known as simple ketone. Okay. Same alkyl group. Here R and R, same alkyl group. See, this is also same, this is also same. So same alkyl group will present means and that is known as simple ketones. Any different alkyl group is present means and that is known as mixed ketones. See, this is same alkyl group, so we are saying simple ketones, but here different alkyl group, so we are saying mixed ketones. Okay, once again I will repeat. Carbonyl compounds means what I said, the compound which contain carbonyl group, and that is known as carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl means what I said, carbon and oxygen have to present, the CO group have to present. Okay, and how we have to write bond for carbon valency? I said 4, so we have to write 4 bonds, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then for oxygen valency is 2, so here we are writing 2 bonds, 1 and 2. Okay, and carbonyl compounds contain aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde formula is CHO, ketone formula CO, and how we have to write aldehyde C, here I said CHO, carbon have to present, hydrogen have to present, oxygen have to present. So oxygen valency 2 I said, so here 2 bonds, carbon valency 4, so how many bonds we have to write? 4, here 1, 2, 3, 4. For hydrogen here 1. Okay, we are putting here one alkyl group to complete this aldehyde group. So finally we will write the formula for aldehyde is RCHO. Like that, ketone, what I said, CO group have to present. For carbon 4 bonds we said, so 1, 2, 3, 4. For oxygen 2 completed. Here we are writing 2 alkyl group to complete the ketone formula. So the ketone formula is RCOR. Finally, if same alkyl group is present in the ketone group means, and that is known as simple ketones, 2 different alkyl group is present means, and that is known as mixed ketones. Thank you, students.